Hi guys, welcome back to the Honest Motherhood. I hope you all are doing good and also kids are doing great. Check out this outfit. This outfit check is done and we're going to church. Jaden is really calm today. He's quiet. What happened, baby? Where you going, baby?
Dog today?
Huh?
The dog?
You saw a dog?
Yes.
Yes. What dog said?
Dog?
Yeah. What did the dog say?
Bobo.
Oh, dog said Bobo. Wow. Dog said moo. Since when dog started saying moo?
Bobo. Wait, park aside. You park aside.
What, you want to park outside? Why? Where you want to go?
You park aside.
You want to go to park?
No.
Huh?
You want to
You want
park aside?
to park the side?
No.
Huh?
Huh?
What you're saying?
Park aside.
Park the side. Oh, let's go to church now. So we have to go ahead. Okay, we go ahead and then we'll park. Okay? Good. So yes, guys. Yesterday evening we took Jaden out. Me, my husband, and Jaden. We three of us we went out. And oh my God, taking toddlers out is like such a crazy thing, I would say, because they just want to stop at each and every store and they want to check out. He has so many cars in the house, but still he doesn't even play with them. But then whenever we go out, he sees a toy or a car or anything, he always wants them. Or he doesn't even like want, he will not even pick it up. He will just like go and he'll just see how it is, and that's it. So he ended up near the kitchen, and I thought maybe he wanted a kitchen because he kept on saying Spider-Man. So he saw the Spider-Man kitchen, and I kept asking him, shall I pick it, shall I buy it? Because I know for a fact that I'll buy it just because he saw that and he held it in his hand. But then eventually he will not play with it, or he will not do anything, he'll just throw it away. And it's me who has to carry. So that's the reason why I kept asking him several times. And then he just said no, that he doesn't want. So I was like, okay, fine. But I just don't want to buy anything for him if he's just gonna check it out and just leave it. Yes. But yes, we are planning to buy him that new toy where you will have this cruise and all, and you will have this drill machine and all, which is like made of plastic, and it's very safe for kids. He loves all those. So yes, I'm planning to do that actually. I'll get that one. So we reach church and we'll get back. So done with church and done with our breakfast. Jaden wanted dosa, so we ate dosa. Yes. Do you like it?
Take it.
Yes. Look at Jaden, guys. He locked me. He doesn't want me to come. He closed the gate. Mama will not come.
No.
Mama stay here. You don't want Mama to come? No, Mama should not come.
Wow.
Wow, I'll come. No? Oh, okay, fine. I'll go. Bye bye. Okay,
All of that.
I'll go. Shall I go?
All of us.
All right. What kind of all right is this? What you have done on my hand, man? Look at this, guys. How he pinched me. Hey, Mama. Yay! Peekaboo. Yay! Peekaboo. Hey, Jaden, not doing that. What's wrong with you, baby? Jaden, no doing that. It's very wrong. Be gentle.
Mama,
Huh?
you order this.
Huh? Order the rest?
You order this.
No, all right.
Go down.
Why should I go
Go
down?
down.
No, I'm not going.
Go goose. No cry.
Okay, I
Okay,
won't
what
cry.
I feel.
Okay, I won't cry.
Come,
Come, let's go up.
Come down.
No, come down now. Let's go home.
Come down.
Why?
Come down.
Why?
Come down.
Okay, fine. Wait, I'll give key to grandma and come. Okay, 1 second.
Come
Wait.
down.
Wait, I'll come.